Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss that what is digital marketing. So, if you are new in this field and if you have heard from somewhere that this field has a scope in the future and you are interested and want to know more about it, this video is for you. So, let me tell you who am I. I am a Sadia and I am a digital marketing specialist working in a US based firm. I have over 5 years experience and I'm also doing my PhD in digital marketing. I've been visiting faculty of digital marketing in an institution. Also, I take a lot of digital marketing consultation projects also. So let me tell you that what digital marketing is and how much scope does it have. So I have prepared a detailed PPT for you so that I can explain in detail. Sorry. Okay. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is nothing just using your digital platforms to sell your products or services. So, earlier, what used to happen is that company used to use these other platforms like the billboards, pamphlet, brochures to communicate about their services, the benefit of it, the pricing, and everything to the customer so that they can make the customer aware about their product so that the customer come and purchase from them. But over the period of time, what the company has analyzed that people are switching from being in the reality towards the on the digital platforms like social media, websites. So they decided that why not to do the marketing on the places where the our customers are. So like if you will even see your screen time, so it's around on an average 4 to 5 hours per day for everyone. So if people are using it and they are consuming so much content and everything digitally, why not to promote our brand, our services on these platforms? So after that, the digital marketing concept came. And so if we talk in the terms of the digital marketing definition, it is selling your products or services with the help of the digital platforms like websites, social media, and even different kind of even like you use like the video ads on the YouTube you see, Google ads, Meta ads, Facebook ads. So these different kind of ads that we see also come under digital marketing. uh for example, if you're searching something on Google and you see something written on, like sponsored is written, and below that the sites that are ranked does not have something like that. So the website which has the sponsored in the name of them are paid one. So for that, we run the Google ads. So that's an example of a digital marketing platform, I'm telling you. Like that only we see different kind of and on the Facebook also and LinkedIn also. So do all those ads are sponsored. Those come under the digital marketing concept. So this is about this. Marketing done online is equal to digital marketing. Whatever you do, whatever marketing you do online is a digital marketing. So if we go in depth about a digital marketing, we have the Google search result SEO, we have Google ads, Instagram ads, we have social media, emails marketing, YouTube, website, all these come under digital marketing. uh People spend, why businesses are using digital marketing nowadays? Because people spend more time online, of course, because on an average people's like the screen time is increasing, so they are investing in it. It's cheaper than TV and newspapers ads. So TV ads are very expensive as compared to digital marketing. Like you can run the ad with 100 rupees also. Results can be measured. In traditional marketing, we were not able to measure the result, that how much people are seeing, and the sales that has been for this month came from which campaign. So we were not able to analyze that. But with the help of digital marketing, we have the platform from where we can get the data for our businesses. You can reach the right audience because we have a good targeting options in digital marketing. So, in one definition, I can tell you digital marketing is the use of digital channels like Google, social media, email, and website to reach the customer and grow a business. uh, this is all about the digital marketing. If you still have any confusion or I have left something covering in the definition of digital marketing or understanding in it, you can ask in the comment section. And in the next videos, I'm going to discuss about the difference between the traditional marketing and digital marketing, and also the scope and the future opportunities in digital marketing. So if you have any particular question in your mind, you can ask me in the comment section, and I would love to make a video on that. Thank you.